Good morning, everybody. Miss Angela's here to wish everybody a happy Thursday, and let's do calendar. All right, friends, we're going to do the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And today, it's just Thursday. That's right, it is Thursday, and it is May 7th, 2020. Yes, all right, let's go. Oh man, we know it's Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday was the middle of the week, and today it's just Thursday, and it is May 7th. All right, friends, we're going to jump right over here, and we're going to decorate the calendar because we have a Mother's Day coming up on Sunday. Whether it's your mother, your grandmother, or a wonderful caretaker, we have it this Sunday to celebrate. You got it. And we are going to see we have we have only 3 days until Mother's Day. Yay. All right, friends, we know it's time for the weather. All right, friends, well, it is amazingly blue sky and sun. So we are going to get our yellow and we are going to fill in a sunny day. We've got a beautiful sunny day in Colorado today in Fort Collins. All right, friends, Miss Angela's going to say goodbye for now. Have an awesome Thursday. I'll see you tomorrow.